County, Greene, Pennsylvania. The National Weather Service in Pittsburgh has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Greene County in southwestern Pennsylvania until 2:45 p.m. At 1:53 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles southwest of Waynesburg, moving east at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, wind gusts to 60 miles per hour and quarter-size hail. Source, radar. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines, resulting in some power outages. Locations impacted include Waynesburg, Fairdale, Rogersville, Bobtown, Nemacolin, Carmichaels, Greensboro, Mount Morris, Spragues. This includes Interstate 79 in Pennsylvania between mile marker 0 and 15. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Pittsburgh.